So let's see what is cloud storage. Cloud storage is nothing but the service which you are going to store our data in the cloud. Nothing but which you are going to store our data in the remote servers which can be accessed over the internet all over the world. Instead of using our physical devices like hard drive and USB, we are going to save our data in the cloud. Why we are saying that it is flexible and it is scalable. We can increase the data size or we can decrease the data size according to our data need, and we don't need to spend for a physical servers, physical devices. Instead we are going to store in the cloud. So these servers are managed by the cloud providers like Amazon, GCP or Azure. There are three types of cloud storage: object, block and file. Now let's see about what is block storage. Block storage is nothing but the data which we stored in the Amazon cloud. It will be in the fixed block size. As because it is fixed block size, it is easy. Those fixed block size have an independent unit. So that fixed block size, the data in the fixed block size, and it treats each block as an independent unit. So by treating this as independent unit, we address and manage our blocks more faster, flexible and ideal for some structured workloads. So block storage in EBS is nothing but we call it as a Amazon EBS, Elastic Block Store. So what is EBS? What is Elastic Block Store? It's nothing but a block level storage device, a block storage device designed by AWS, like what you can say, to use the EC2 instances. So for the service which is designed by AWS, you can use it for EC2 instances. It provides durable, high performance, volume and behaves like a virtual hard drive. This is a one line for the EBS. EBS is nothing but the Amazon EBS is the virtual hard drive for our virtual instance, or we can say the hard drive for our virtual instance that can be attached to one or more instances. It is best suitable for a low latency access for accessing accessing data like database file systems and ensure or enterprise applications. And in EBS, there is something called root volume. Root volume is nothing but it's a primary storage volume attached to an EC2 instance. Like in our laptop, how we have a OS level OS level storage like C drive. The same virtual instance will also have a C drive, which is nothing but the root volume, the primary storage volume attached to EC2 instance, which contains the OS and boot files in order to launch an instance. That is what root volume. So what is it? Is basically a C drive for our virtual server. So what it does in the sense, when we are going to launch an instance using an AMI, it automatically creates a root volume which should be attached in the EC2 instance. It can increase the size or change the volume type when we launching an instance. By default, it is deleted when the instance is terminated. This is the one main thing. So root volume is deleted or terminated when it is in the delete and termination. Yes, that's it.